How to fix Honor Magic 7 is not turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, to turning on your device, then plug in charger. After plugging charger, then your mobile will turn on. And after that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.